756. Good 6 deployment. Northbound on Hazelwood.
You want me to do the lights?
Approaching Ivy. 30 miles an hour. Full stairs deflated.
Copy northbound Hazelwood approaching Ivy. Good 6 to 30 miles an hour.
Brakes, we're going to flip bail here and clear. Nope. Eastbound clear.
Copy, eastbound clear.
I gotta cut over on 80.
Clear.
Requesting safe all systems vacated, please.
616. I'm gonna reach my current call. Send me
Copy 138.
Crash, South Entry.
Careful.
Copy, crash clear at Durant.
Good. Go.
Here we go. 300 perimeter over.
Slow down.
Copy.
Oh, he's trying to get out. Pull ahead. That's good. Pull ahead. Stop right there. Right there. Here's my light. Let me out.
Copy, again.
That was squad 321, just getting by. Looks like the media guys are following.
Copy.
300.
Copy. Person's trying to grab the squad 139.
You got a baton or a whole light?
Try this.
Alex, I got some. Get out. Open the door. Open the fucking door. Chill out. Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
Do you have status updates?
Get on the ground.
2756, status update.
Custody.
Copy, taking party into custody.
5-6 cars clear. Release the 10-3. 20 custody.
Copy, car is clear, taking mail into custody at 141.
bar was gonna come in handy someday.
Well, I'm glad you had that. I put the kibosh on my flashlight though. The alleged glass breaker didn't do too good a job.
Trying to get the mason on that corner, but I don't think that worked too well either. But
What's that?
I was trying to mason in, you know, I was trying to get mace into the cab,
Yeah.
but well, I don't know. My wife's not that happy, I don't think. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, so what you saw there is car fled from St. Paul. Alex was able to get some sticks on it, and then he picked it up. And you saw firsthand it tried to continue getting away. And Alex was trying to stop him by breaking the window, but his flashlight didn't work too good.
And my flashlight didn't work too good trying to break the other
I
window.
remember I had this metal pipe in the back for some.
Well, I'm glad you had that. That worked out great.
So
We are not going to give that man a gift card.
well, what's stupid? I mean, then you know what he says then after we finally break the window? Then he said, after all that, he practically ran Alex over. You saw that, right?
Mm-hmm.
He says, well, chill out. That's what he said. Chill out.
How about we chill you out, belly down in the snow?
You know, you just don't know if he's got a weapon in there.
I thought he was going when he was digging in that.
Yeah.
Probably, I didn't see it. It was just cursory I gave it, but
If he's that insistent on getting out, stay right here. You're fine.
okay. Whew.
Are you okay? You look like you're limping.
You all right?
Well, hey, listen. That flashlight wasn't cutting it.
Take the air clear.
Affirmative.
Okay.
Copy in 378 for EOT.
That metal bar worked pretty good, though.
378.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. We can mute it.
384.
Did it break?
Yeah, I broke.
Okay.
I broke the old light.
Okay. Just take a breath.
He thinks back where he did the sticking.
You start there.
Okay.
You can go backwards here, right? Or you
I think I can go front. I think I can go
kill
forward.
these lights here. Careful, you're gonna squeeze them in. I don't know, Pat. Well, here, let me just take a look at it.
Because I got a tree right.
Go forward and then back, yeah.
Oh, here we go. Here we go.
Hang on. We gotta go forward. There's another spot back there. Just go forward and pick your spot. What do you think? I'd go all the way to the fucking street. Oh man. I got a little mace on me too. I don't know. That's a tough situation where you got a guy that you can't break the window and he's driving away.
Dude, look possessed.
5-6 to 2400. You can disregard on that mission.
Copy that.
What do we got for radios here, Pat? 2? I got 2, you got 1?